How to use Benzinga Pro Market Insights at properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Benzinga Pro is one of the best kept secrets in trading, but only if you know how to use it. Most beginners get overwhelmed by the data and end up ignoring the most powerful features. Here's how to get it right. When you first open Benzinga Pro, don't dive straight into headlines. Start with the Movers tab. It highlights stocks making big moves in real time, saving you hours of research. The mistake most people make: chasing headlines after prices have already reacted. The Movers feed lets you spot action early before it hits mainstream news. Next, set up your watch list properly. Use filters like sector, volume, and percentage change to narrow your focus. Beginners who monitor too many tickers get distracted and make rushed trades. Keep it tight. 5 to 10 key stocks is ideal. Don't skip the squawk feature. It's a live audio feed of breaking news faster than most news sites. Many pros use it to get alerts seconds before prices move. Another tip: customize alerts. You can set notifications for price movements, unusual volume, or even analyst upgrades. This turns Benzinga Pro into your personal trading assistant. Most beginners also forget about signals. It tracks spot trades, halts, and option suites, real indicators of smart money movement. Watching these can reveal where institutional investors are going next. The secret to using Benzinga Pro properly is focus. Don't try to absorb everything. Build a system that fits your strategy. Once you do, you'll see why top traders rely on it every single day.